Hello, I'm Nadia McLeod from RPM Legal Kits, and we help couples secure their financial futures with our online template kits. After separation, it's common for a couple to transfer property ownership. Whether it's the family home or an investment property, the transfer may be executed in various ways. Generally, property is transferred from the joint names of both partners into the name of one party, or from one party to the other. Usually the transfer of property will attract a hefty stamp duty bill, even if you are simply taking one partner's name off the title. But the Family Law Act provides that no stamp duty or other tax is payable under any state or territory law with respect to property that is dealt with in a financial agreement. To undertake a property transfer, you must register a transfer form with your state or territory's Lands Department. You'll need the following information to complete the form: who are the transferors or current owners of the property? Who is the transferee or the new owner that the property is being transferred to? What is the volume and folio number of the land being transferred? What type of estate or interest is being transferred? And what is the transferee's manner of holding? Before lodging your transfer at the Lands Department, there are several other things to note. If you're seeking a stamp duty exemption, you'll need to submit the necessary documentation and have your transfer marked as exempt. This can be done through your state revenue office. If a mortgage exists over the property being transferred, it will also need to be paid out. Once this has happened, a new mortgage can be taken out in the transferee's name. If you are remortgaging, check with your financial institution about what they will need from you first. This video is intended to be a brief summary only. You should contact your state or territory's land department for more information about the requirements, forms and fees when transferring land. Direct links to these organisations are provided on the article that we've linked to below. To learn how a financial agreement can save you thousands in stamp duty, check out the links below as well.